about my experience here doing this remodel. It was quite the project because, as you can see, that's an open space. Well, there wasn't an open space there before. It was a wall. There was a drop ceiling. It was a kitchen out of the 1970s, and not a very good one. On top of that, so I really wanted something different. The house is it's a smaller space, but really wanted the kitchen to be the focal point. And I didn't want to do kind of what everybody else does, where the cabinets are brown or they're white and a darker countertop. I wanted it to be fun. So working with project manager David, he kind of guided us through our color choices, and we settled on the gray, lighter gray cabinets and a darker gray island, which I didn't think was going to work because I thought, oh no, it's going to be too dark, I don't know if we're going to like it. But it looks, as you can see, absolutely beautiful. And the experience, like any remodeling, was tough. I mean, in the past, I've remodeled kitchens before, and it's been with a family member, so that's a whole different experience. But I think working with Horizon was the closest experience I could have gotten to working with family.
Oh, thank you so much. That's so nice.
So, I mean, like, even I was really stressed and would get really nervous, and like I would sometimes get mad, but sort of like the same way you do with your family, like you get mad and you fight, but you kind of keep on going and work it out, and it all turns out fine. And so I'm like so happy with the job that Horizon did in the kitchen as well as our bathroom. It's absolutely beautiful.
Oh, thank you. It does look amazing. Let me show you a little bit. Let me guide you through that a little. You see, this is darker island. It's huge, and a linen closet here, even a pantry, and lighter cabinets. All main kitchen is lighter cabinets. It's beautiful, and new floors throughout the house. Hello. And beautiful countertop. It's quartz with white and gray in it. It just looks beautiful. We have two beautiful bathrooms as well. That's it. The experience working with you was great. Thank you so much.